Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you a designer series paper reveal for the Paper Blooms designer series paper. This is one of the packs that you can choose for free during Sale-A-Bration January and February 2021. So this is from the Sale-A-Bration brochure from Stampin' Up, and I'm so excited. It starts on January 5th and goes through the end of February. This is a 12 by 12 designer series paper pack, and you actually get two each of the 6 double-sided designs. The colors included are Night of Navy, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Rococo Rose, Seaside Spray, Soft Seafoam, and Whisper White. I'm going to go through each of the sheets so that you can see the full detail and design of the 12 by 12 sheet, since all you see in the catalog is a small little corner of it. So this way you can see exactly how fabulous it is. And let me tell you, this one with the big dots is so super cool. I am loving it. So pick out your favorite one. Let me know what that is in the comments below, and I'll share with you my favorite at the end. So did you pick out your favorite? It's really killing me to try to pick out my favorite because you guys know how much I love flowers, and I'm actually super loving this soft, it's not quite like a subtles, like a pastel color, but yet it's so soft and perfect for spring, I feel like, or even these winter months prior to spring with these amazing colors. So I super love it, and I love flowers. So I would say my favorite is this one here, which might surprise you because you guys know I'm a pink fan. I do really love this one with that pink background too. And actually, I am loving these giant dots because they're just so fun and cool. But there's a lot of great images in here for both masculine and feminine cards, so I can't wait to start playing with this. Of course, I'll be sharing ideas and inspiration on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, where I do lives each week, and you can see me and stamp together with me. All of the links for that is down below, so don't forget to check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other designer series paper reveals from the January to June mini catalog as well as Sale-A-Bration. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.